Yeah, I got afterburner on that. Yeah, that's the whole point. I call it a dirty roll. It looks out of control, but it's fully controlled. That's rudder and aileron. It's like almost like a snap roll, but it's not snapping. Gyro's working. I think the rudder gain's still a little too high, but
does it wag, right?
It's wagging a little bit, so I need to turn it down. I turned it up thinking that would help, but it was the opposite. Controlled the whole way around. It just looks like it's gonna fall out of the sky.
It does, man.
It's fun though. The wind's not quite as steady here. At Bayside, I can get like inches off the ground. But right here, it's so turbulent. Yeah, it's pretty bumpy. Yeah, but I get so low at Bayside until I can, you can see the dust blowing away. Right over there. I had to get used to it because it'll knock you down. Sometimes there's downdrafts. If you're not ready for it, it's just gonna push you down. It's happened to me too. I got lucky with my F5 a couple times. It's like almost all the way to the fence. Yeah, see the tail's wagging a little too much. I have another pack, so I think after I let it cool down, I'll check it. But I can adjust the gain here on the radio. But I prefer to do it, right. I don't mind turning it up, but I always set it low so that I can turn it up as I need. It's already too high. No, I'm good. It's set up for 4,000. I'm on 5,800, so I can get like 7 minutes. Plenty of time. Yeah, see the wiggle?
Now is that coming from you think that's rudder?
It is rudder. I turned it too high.
That's what I'm thinking. Gaining higher, the hell I'm still confused. The lower the gain will sometimes get rid of the
Sometimes will, yeah. If it's too high, it'll wiggle a lot. These ailerons are perfect. There's no wiggle at all there, but the tails do. So, do one more flight with it in a different position and see. if I hit rudder, that's just me bumping it. See how it's doing it? So when it does it on its own, it's the rudder input doing it. See that?
And that's neutral. That's hands off.
That is. Well, I was bumping it there,
Yeah.
but I'll do this next pass. It'll be hands off. This is hands off here. Like once I get level, it'll be hands off. So right there, that's hands off. So I'm not touching the rudder at all. But it's moving like the rudder's moving. Yeah. So I'll turn it down. I turn it higher than the last flight, so I know that that's what it is. The ailerons are fine.
Yeah.
No, it's that tail.
It's got really a lot of size.
Yep. Yep. They do that for directional stability.
No flap.
No, you can put them on this. You can make flaperons. But I just do the high alpha landing. Alright, so I gotta turn that down.
You lift the plane up and you move the back and forth. Well, it'll compensate, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here, let me turn it up so you can see it.
I can hear it.
I turned it way up. Do it now. You can
Oh
see
yeah.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's gonna really make your servos work then.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's what it's maxed out right now.
Okay.
But normally I fly it here at the bottom, so it's going to go off of whatever's there.